So just to walk through a little bit, if you're familiar with Storyline of how I did this. So we have this, a front page here. We have this next button here. And so the first thing I did is I just set some JavaScript. Now, in using custom launch data, it is really hard not to have JavaScript in your courses. One of the prerequisites of using custom launch data is that you kind of have to have control of your courses and how you're creating them. But really, a couple years ago, I would say, like, go ahead and learn some JavaScript. Now, just ask ChatGPT. I just ChatGPT this. It did it perfectly. It gave me the script to put in here. It does this really well. So we just have a couple functions that, it grabs the window URL, it's parsing things. And then in the actual course, I have just a couple variables. I have the custom data is loaded, just a true or false variable. This controls if the custom data is still loading, like the network request is slow or something like that. I don't want that arrow to be popping up in the course until it's completed loading. And then the intro text. The intro text is a variable. It's blank by default, but this is where I can put in the actual text that we put in custom launch data. So this is a variable, it reads it. And in this JavaScript that I had open here, you can see that it's pulling down some stuff and then it's setting these variables like intro text to the data that we get from custom launch data. And then at the end, after everything is done, we're setting the variable inside Storyline for custom data loaded is true. So after that, it's really just a flow. Like, if there's custom launch data, then go to this slide and display that. If not, bypass that and go to the actual training. So this is a really kind of like quick and dirty way to fire up Articulate Storyline, or this works really well in Captivate, Adobe Captivate as well. Any authoring tool where you can actually insert JavaScript into the courses, you can work with custom launch data. Custom launch data requires that you have to have a little bit of JavaScript to pull down that URL and then go from there. So, and then also, if we go back to custom launch data, if I just put gobbledygook in this, allow plans, projects, even if I had malformed custom launch data, remember that the course is looking for specific things that you ahead of time go ahead and set. So, in Sarah's Flight School, if it doesn't see that, there's planes allowed in there, then you kind of like you're getting a little off track. So the custom launch data has to be very much in sync on both sides, the course side and the content controller side. So, we didn't put any real allowed planes. So the course is just saying, hey, I didn't get anything to filter. So therefore, you're going to get all the planes. So you kind of really have to develop in tandem. Content controller works in tandem with your courseware to kind of get this effect. So in a nutshell, that is custom launch data in practice and real world usage.